Page 226. This is all the pretty little horses at the top of the page. These couple pages are on harmonizing. We get to go by harmonizing again and improvising and all that stuff. Again, the first thing I do is learn the melody. I want to hear the melody. What's it about? 2 lines long, 2 sharps. We're in the key of B minor because we're studying minor keys. It could be D major or B minor. Make sure you do the scales for both D major and B minor. Do the arpeggios too. Yeah. 4/4 time signature in the melody. I want to hear it. So it's 5/3. 1, 5, 3. This way we're in position to go on. Then we're just changing hand positions on repeated notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1 and 2. That's the melody. Both lines are the same. I'm hoping the chords will be the same, and it looks like they are. We have a B minor chord. Just do block chords for now. B minor. Then we have an E minor here, but I don't want to be moving around, so I'm going to put the B on the bottom. It's a 4 chord. Okay. And then we have a D chord, but they want the A on the bottom, so I'm going to put that. So I go from here to here. The bottom note just went down. The other notes are the same. From the B minor it is. Now from an E minor you're here, and then here. And then we have an F sharp 7 with an A sharp on the bottom. Boy, is this impressive or what? One thing at a time. First, what's an F sharp chord here? It's an F, and capital letters. Remember, if it were a minor, it would have to say minor, M or something. So it's a major triad. And it's a major triad, remember, is a major third and a minor third. Well, F sharps, a major third and a minor third. So that's the F sharp chord. The 7th, I just add another note to it. So those are the notes in the F sharp 7 chord. Now they want the A sharp on the bottom. So I'm going to put the F sharp on top. And again, the 4 notes, we don't need them all. I leave out the C sharp, we got that. It's a 5/7 chord. All that mess for a 5/7 chord. But that's what that 5/7 chord is. That's an F sharp 7 with an A sharp on the bottom. And then you end up with a B minor chord, because a lot of times the 5/7 chord will lead into the 1 chord. Doesn't have to, but a lot of times it does. So again, the B minor chord, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and then this mess, whatever this is here. It's a D chord with an A on the bottom, and then we go to the 5/7 chord and back to the 1 chord. All right, let's see how that sounds, or hear how that sounds, depending on how you work it, with the melody. And I'm still doing block chords here. So it's here. E minor 4 chord, and here, and 5/7, again, and basically the harmony and all sounds okay to me, I guess. They give a suggested pattern for the left hand is this broken chord pattern. See, in the 3rd measure, you only get 1 beat here, and then you hear. So that works out. Change the pattern at the end because it's the end. You don't have to use that pattern. How about Alberti bass? Or just top and bottom? kinds of different. Change the rhythm. I mean, this is kind of a marching, plodding along thing, but you can try the. Use your imagination and be creative. Have fun with it.